Hey guys, this is vlog number 5. I'm actually here at a warehouse dropping off a dry van. Look at that. No bed, but I got a new bed, so I guess later in this bed I'll pull it all out and we'll make a video with that, right? But I'm gonna drop this dry van off, and then I'm gonna go pick up my low boy at the yard and go pick up an excavator and take it to Midland. So we'll do that vlog about that and the bed. So safety first. Pull your latch. They got the wheel chock. You gotta put the wheel chock down. Go get our paperwork, pull out and go get the low boy. I got the GoPro recording over there. I got the GoPro recording over there. And I'm recording with my phone because I don't know if the GoPro has a good angle where it's at. And I can't control it with the phone. But I'm in Waco, Texas. I just parked. I gotta go turn my blinkies off. Stopped for the night because I ran out of daylight. I picked up that excavator. You see it? It's a Komatsu, not a John Deere. It's about 50,000 pounds. I'm gonna set up this bed, but I'm gonna go shower first. And then I brought my RC car because, you know, my channel was originally for RC. But since I'm on the road so much, and so I'm gonna go shower, probably go eat. I want to go to Hooters, just down the street, and then I'll come back and I gotta roll this bed out. So at least I backed her in here in a parking spot. It's always dark. I got about 330 more miles. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. It's upside down? Yeah, it is upside down. So I got a new bed because the other bed I had in here was like an actual twin, and in here you need more of a cot size, so it's like 30 inches wide. And my old mattress that I had in here before, I threw away. I should have kept it, but I threw it away. And then I got that other mattress, but it was too big, so then I ordered a new one, which is this one, which, man, it's kind of thin. So, I mean, it fits in here. There's more room, but man, look how thin it is. The other one I had was double the width. This is probably, I don't know what, 3-4 inches. The other one I had was like thick and it was comfortable. So we'll see. Oh no. There it is. She's thin. I'm hoping it's comfortable. I mean, I don't really stay in the truck that much. Like, I don't stay it overnight, a couple of nights at a time. Maybe 1 or 2 nights at the most. I'm typically trying to make my way back home. But anyways, I got an inflatable buddy so I can have a team driver, but he's gonna be lazy and not want to drive. And then I got a dash cam at Walmart. I think it was like 20 bucks. So I'm gonna use it. We'll see how it works. I think I need one. I mean, the ones I had before at a different company, they had a reverse facing camera. This is just to protect me. So I think we should all have one. And then so yeah, those are my sheets. Jurassic Park, because kaiju, you know. And then my little blanket. But back to my RC car. So this is my 10 scale buggy. I'll probably do a video by itself just for the buggy. Like I said, my original intent with this channel was for my hobbies and my RC stuff, but then trucking just is so, you know, it just takes up a lot of time. So I'm gonna try to do some videos with the buggies and the RC stuff separate. But yeah, so I'm gonna work on it because I gotta finish it. I've been working on this thing for like 2 weeks and I've gotten just the front section. So yeah, let me get to it and then I'll go to bed. Come on, buddy. Lean back, buddy, lean back. Notice how I went around slowly so you don't rock the whole trailer. And what I like to do is I like to put the bucket out. Just walk it off slowly. Make sure you're lined up. And then I'm going to use my feet. That. And then I'll walk it off. And I use the boom as a support. Just like that. That pin in that bucket's about to go back. You see how I'm moving? Curl the bucket in. And turn up the juice. I'm gonna back it up next to this one, I guess. Oh, I'm short. Ahí está bien? Okay. Clean all this mud off. And that's it, guys. So if you stuck around this long, thanks for watching. And I'll have some more content. Hopefully I have more entertaining content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.